Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add click-only link in your TikTok bio. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your TikTok profile and you have to click on Edit Profile. Now you have to click on Website and here you can see Add your website link. Click on this. Now here you have to register a business account. TikTok. Click on Get Started. Now here you have to read this privacy policy and click on Get Started. Now here you have to add all your information. For example, add your legal name, country, religion, audience, state name, and all your personal information here. Once your business account is created, you can add a link of your website in your TikTok bio. But when you create an account, TikTok will do complete verification, only then they will give you permission to add a link to your TikTok profile.